Good morning, sir. We are here to present our civil prototype project of virtual model of study table using Fusion 360. We are a group of 7 members from IT department of batch IT3. Now I will start with the introduction of our project. A prototype is a model used to visualize and test a design before actual construction. In this project, we have created a virtual prototype of study table using Fusion 360. The model is designed with a proper, accurate dimensions and realistic representation. It also includes different engineering views such as top, side, section, and 3D views. This virtual modeling helps in reducing errors and improving designing and understanding. Now coming to the objectives of our project. The main objective is to design a virtual prototype of a study table. We aim to create a 3D model using Fusion 360 and apply accurate dimensions with proper structural design. We also generate different engineering views like top, side, section, and 3D view. Additionally, this project helps us understanding CAD modeling, visualization, and basic concepts of structural stability and load distribution. Moving to the software used, we have used Autodesk Fusion 360 for designing the most model. This software is used for 2D sketching, 3D modeling, and visualization. It allows easy modification of designs and provides high accuracy. It also is an industry standard tool widely used by engineers and designers.
So hello everyone. I will explain the model description of our bamboo table design using CAD software. Our design focus on creating a simple, strong and sustainable furniture structure using bamboo as a primary material. The CAD model consists of the several key components like a rectangular tabletop which provides a stable and flat working surface. Four vertical bamboo legs which acts as a main load bearing supports. An upper frame which connects all the legs and just below the tabletop and increases structural strength. Fourth and the last, a lower support frame which enhances stability, prevents shaking or wobbling of the table. The structure is carefully designed to ensure proper balance and stability, uniform load distribution across all the legs, and comfortable and practical use for the study and work purposes. All the components are accurately dimensionized and aligned with the CAD model to reflect real-life construction feasibility. Overall, the design represents a realistic, durable, and a sustainable bamboo table, modified table for the practical application.
Now I will explain the material selection and the methodology of our table design. First, talking about the material, we selected a wood because it provides an excellent combination of strength, durability, and affordability. It also gives a smooth and clean finish, which improves the overall look of the table. Another important point is the wood is a lightweight, so the table is easy to move but still strong enough to handle daily items like books and laptops. It is also easily available and low maintenance, which makes it very practical. Although materials like steel and plywood are available, but wood gives the best balance for our design. Now, moving to the methodology, we started creating a design in the Fusion 360. First, we made a 2D sketch of the tabletop with the dimension of 100 by 50 centimeter. Then we converted it into a 3D model using the extrude features and the added thickness. After that, we created a 4 legs at each corner with the size of 5 by 5 centimeter and the height of 72.5 centimeter. To make the structure more strong and stable, we added a upper frame connecting all the legs and the lower support frame at the 20 centimeter height. Next, we applied the fillet to smooth the edges, which improved the both safety and appearance. Finally, we generated the different views like top view, side view, and the 3D view, added a dimension, and completed our design. This is how we successfully design a strong and stable table model.
I am Yatharth Hingane. This is the top view of our study table model. From this view, we can clearly see the length and width of the table, which are 100 centimeter and 50 centimeter respectively. It shows the rectangular tabletop surface, which is the main working area. It can also observe the position of all 4 legs placed at the corners to ensure proper balance. Additionally, the upper frame structure is visible just below the tabletop, which connects all the legs and improves the strength of the table. This view help us to understand the layout and arrangement of components from the above. Next one is the next one is the front view. This is the front view of our study table. It mainly shows the height of the table, which is 75 centimeter, making it comfortable for study purposes. Here we can clearly see the vertical alignment of the legs, which are of equal heights and provide proper support. The upper frame just below the tabletop and the lower support frame at the height of 20 centimeter from the ground are also visible. This frame increase the stability of the structure and prevent wobbling. This view help us understand the overall structure and height of the table. Next one is the section view. In section view, the study table. In this view, the model is cut from one side to show the internal structure of the table. We can clearly see the thickness of tabletop, which is 2.5 centimeter, along with the internal connections between the tabletop legs and frames. It also shows how the load is transferred from the top surface of the leg through the frame structure. This view is very important because it helps us to understand the internal design, joint connection, and structural strength of the table. The final is the 3D view of our study table model. It provides a complete visualization of the table in 3 dimensions: length, width, and height. In this view, we can see the realistic design, including the tabletop legs and both upper and lower frame. It gives clear idea of how the final product will look in real life. This view is useful for presentation, visualization, and understanding the overall design of the model and appearance of the model.
Hello everyone, my name is Swara Burse and I will be presenting the working and load distribution of the study table. The study table provides a flat, stable, and comfortable surface for studying, writing, and laptop use. It is designed at an ergonomic height which helps maintain proper posture and reduces strain during long hours. The frame structure increases the strength and rigidity of the table, preventing bending or deformation. The lower support frame improves stability and reduces wobbling. The tabletop is smooth, making it convenient for books and writing tasks. Overall, the design is simple, user friendly, and space efficient, making it suitable for daily use. Now, moving to load distribution. The table is designed to support two types of loads: day load and live load. Day load refers to the self weight of the table which remains constant, whereas live load refers to movable loads like books, laptops, and other study materials. The load is transferred from the tabletop to the frame, then to the legs, and finally to the ground. The frame ensures even distribution of load across all four legs, and the corner placement of legs provide balance, support, and stability. This reduces stress concentration on any one part and helps prevent bending, uneven load distribution, and structural failure. So, the design ensures strength, stability, and durability. Thank you.
Okay, so now I will talk about the advantages and disadvantages of our study table design. Advantages. First of all, the design is very simple and easy to understand, so anyone can work with it easily. We used a Fusion 360 for designing, which helped us get accurate dimensions and a clear idea of how the table will look before actually making it. Because of this, we can avoid mistakes and save time during construction. Also, the structure is quite strong and stable because of the proper frame support. Another good thing is that the design is flexible. We can easily modify it according to our needs, and overall it is very suitable for everyday use like studying at home. Disadvantages, but at the same time there are some limitations. Right now the model is only designed on software and hasn't been physically tested yet. The material properties are assumed, so they are not fully verified in real conditions. Also, we haven't done real life load testing, so we can't say exactly how much weight it can handle. Environmental factors like wear and tear are also not considered, and when we actually build it, some practical challenges may come which can be slightly different from the design. So overall the design is simple, strong and economical, but it still needs real world testing for complete validation. Thank you.
My name is Pratik Tapkir. Now I will explain the application of project. This study table can be used by students for daily study purpose. It is suitable for use at home, in offices and in study rooms. It can also be used in libraries and educational institutions where a compact and functional workspace is required. The table is useful for a workstation for laptops, reading and writing activities. One of the advantages of our design is that it can be customized based on different furniture requirements due to its simple and compact design. It is especially suitable for small spaces. Uh, Now coming to the conclusion of our project, we successfully designed the study table using Fusion 360 with accurate dimensions. All the required engineering views such as top, front, sectional and 3D views were generated properly. The design ensures good strength, stability and proper load distribution. The frame structures improves rigidity and enhance overall performance. Through this project, we gain practical understanding of 3D modeling, engineering drawing and basic structural concepts. It also helps us understand the importance of CAD tools in real life design and construction. Thank you.